Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you something incredible. It's a luxurious villa, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom with a massive swimming pool, and come have a look, let's see. So guys, it's a new project, just been built. Stick around until the end and let me know if you can guess the price, but at the very end of the video we will be able to tell you how much it is to be owner of this amazing place. Come, I'll show you around. As soon as you enter in the villa, you will find yourself in the spacious living area. Dining table, it has also a little garden behind. All these windows can be opened and the front can be opened so you can flow around the air. Over here you have a massive kitchen, it's literally bigger than my own house. So this villa has been built for those who are ready to move in. You just take your suitcases and you move in right away. Mind that if you purchase a property off plan, everything that you see can be changed, from the color to the materials. Also, the electrical appliances can be hand-picked as well. And the wine lovers can have their own space as well. Also, there is a space for a very large fridge.
Whoa.
And now it's time to show you the first bedroom out of 3. I'll show you the master bedroom. The master bedroom has an amazing view to the pool and the garden, and it has all windows around. Of course, throughout the whole property you have these blinders everywhere, so in case you have too much light in the property you can just protect yourself and close them all. Even though of these amazing windows throughout the whole property, don't worry about the privacy, because the developer is very attentive about the fact of giving you the whole privacy that you need. You won't see around any neighbors or any windows looking at you. An amazing big bed, and there is something very interesting for ladies. Follow me.
Only for ladies?
Only for ladies. Maybe some men as well.
Maybe something also for men, right here. Maybe you can put the watches.
Yes, you can put the watches. And remember guys, again, you see this, it can be changed from the material to the color as well. It's a perfect place and a dream wardrobe for a ladies. You have a lot of space throughout. You can hang your clothes here, but it can be discussed with the developer. If you like this to be closed, as some people prefer, it can be done as well. And guys, all the 3 bedrooms comes ensuite, and I'll show you this bathroom of the main bedroom. As you can see, it's very large. It has 2 sinks. So I like to keep it separate between me and my partner, you know, sometimes. And the shower, it's pretty big as well. Has also a massive mirror, so it makes the space even bigger. The feeling of this bathroom is even bigger. Of course, there is not only a shower for people who like to relax, and there is a bathtub as well. Wouldn't you want to wake up here? What do you think? Do you like it? I'll show you now the other 2 bedrooms. Let's go. This is a second bedroom. It's not a master bedroom, so the view will look into the smaller garden that comes around the house. But still, look at the massive window, so you will never lack of light here. It's kept very minimalistic on purpose, so you can personalize it, add your own personal furniture and your belongings, of course. The bed is massive, the same as in the other bedroom, and is also ensuite. every bathroom, before a bathroom, you have this walk-in wardrobe. Remember now, the style of it is open walk-in wardrobe, but this can be closed as well. Material can be changed, color can be changed. And now let's go to the other bathroom. The layout here is a little bit different. Also, it has an access to the living room. So this bathroom is shared between the living room area and the second bedroom. Here you can come out directly to the living area, and you can see here the third and last bedroom. The third bedroom has actually the same view as the master bedroom, so it's, I would say, similar. So you have these amazing two windows that open and let the light in. The bed is the same, very big, and also is ensuite, so we can have a look at the bathroom. This is obviously the same like in the other two bedrooms, the walk-in wardrobe, and let's see the bathroom. Here the bathroom is slightly smaller than the other two, but it's pretty spacious. In the garden you have a big space for relaxing, for the evening time with your family and friends. Around the pool, as you can see, there is plenty of space. You have some beds over there, and yeah, it's great. So it's a luxurious village. It's called the Plantation Estate. It has a total of 24 plots. Right now they have 8 plots available that you can choose an off-plan property for yourself. They have a choice as well of VIP, which VIP project, which offers you a bigger villa, pool villa, and bigger plot as well, where they will do a 4-bedroom, 4 bathrooms. And right now the one I showed you is 3-bedroom and 3 bathrooms. If you're ready to move in, you can purchase this amazing villa for a price of 28 million baht. And if you want to personalize it, working closely with a developer, you can purchase an off-plan project. You can choose your own plot. You can work out with what material, what color do you need. The prices are starting from 22.6 million baht. It comes with built-in furniture only, and then we can discuss and propose you fully furnished packages as well. Now, Johnny, we came to Maprachan Lake, which the property is located just 2 minutes away. It's a very quiet area. As you can see behind us, it's very nice for people who likes to walk, maybe walk their dogs or go around with a bicycle. As you can see, it's very green, safe and quiet, and it's 20 minutes away from Pattaya city when you need some crowd. And also amazing fact is it has 4 different golf clubs around this area. So if you like to play golf, this is the best area to be in.
Wow, I mean, I can see already. It's very, very beautiful. The air is fresh. You have this massive lake over here.
What I can say as a fact, a lot of foreigners do like to be in this area, as it's quiet, it's perfect for families, it's close to school, and it's very close to Pattaya as well.
But it's so nice that you can have this like peaceful area, and at the same time, just 15 to 20 minutes drive, you can go like in the crazy Pattaya city. So I think it's the perfect spot. So you decide when you want to go crazy.
Yeah, correct. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in the property, Gianni will share my contacts in the descriptions below. My name is Alexandra, everyone calls me Sasha, so let me know if you have different budgets, different needs. You can always contact me with different questions. Thank you so much.
So remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. We have so many more properties to show you all around Thailand.
Thank you.